cut your potatoes into bite-sized pieces that you could comfortably fit in your mouth, that your dentures won't fall out, that you're not going to hear your jaw crack when you take a bite, right? That one's got a little bit of skin on it, but that's okay. And throw them in a pot and gently boil them. When the potatoes are fork tender and still hot, see the steam coming off those? Now, I did 4 potatoes, so it's 1.5 sticks of butter. Yes, you gotta read the recipe. Her recipe is for like 10 pounds of potatoes and 2 pounds of butter. So I am cutting it down, but here we go. You season the potatoes now. Do not wait until it's all mixed together, because then your potatoes won't be seasoned. Here's the salt. And here's some white pepper. Season the potatoes and get the butter in while they're hot, because just like a baked potato, you want the cooked potato as it cools. The moisture leaves it, and then it will begin to draw in moisture, and the moisture you want it to draw in is that beautiful butter. Now you'll notice as I'm doing this, the potatoes are firm enough to hold their shape, but there's no crunch, absolutely no crunch. Now look at all that butter that's just melted. Let's let this rest and let the potatoes completely cool now. Then we will add the rest, but we let it completely cool with the butter, which is going to take a while because I'm not putting it in the fridge. I know, try it. Make sure there's enough salt and pepper to taste. That is perfect. These are more eggs than I need in the potato salad, but I'm going to make some deviled eggs too, because what else do you do when you're making good foods? If you're going to boil some eggs, you got to make some deviled. Okay, so we have the potatoes and butter. Nothing more, just the potatoes and butter. Salt and pepper. I'm sorry, I lied. We do have more. It's potatoes with salt and pepper, and I used a white pepper. And now I want a nice little gambit of frozen peas. Think that's enough. And the veggies. There is green peppers, onions, celery, radishes, and carrots. Toss all of this into your potato salad and very gently mix it in. Very gently. Okay, this is the potato salad with everything mixed in, and I will admit I have a little more vegetables than Great Aunt Charlotte would have put into hers. She did hers in a 10-pound bag recipe, as in a 10-pound bag of potatoes, because hers was her party recipe for, you know, when the whole family's getting together. I downsized this, and I love vegetables, so it's pretty much just for me. Hopefully I can give some of this away, because it turned out to be, you know, it's 4 potatoes in here, so I figured 4 days, plus the veggies. You got the butter, the salt and pepper. Now to add some mayonnaise. Now for the mayonnaise. Okay, there we have it. I put it in a bowl. It is almost ready to be served. I boiled the eggs, checked them. They're cooked absolutely perfect. So I'm going to slice up 3 eggs to go with 4 potatoes. Since I did not season the eggs, I sliced up the eggs. Look at that. Ah, there's a hole in there. First it looked like something was on the egg, but no, it's just a hole in the yolk. Okay, so I'm going to season them with just a light salt and pepper because I did not season the eggs. Okay, I used a white pepper. You can still see it. It's not that white, but it's called a white pepper. But I used salt and pepper so that the eggs are seasoned. Seasoned them just like you are going to eat them, right? Okay. Every now and again, my family, like for my deviled eggs and stuff like that for the grown-ups, I put just a touch of cayenne pepper over the top in place of the paprika, but I am using Hungarian paprika. So this dish, I'm calling it done and ready to serve. It is for tomorrow's dinner, so it will have a chance to chill, because remember, this is all, I mean, I let the potatoes get to room temperature, but nothing has truly set up yet. So I'm putting a lid on this, putting it in the refrigerator, and it'll be ready for tomorrow's barbecue.